Hello everyone, you are watching English Sucker and today I am going to teach you advertisement writing. Advertisement writing is a part of advanced writing skills in senior secondary curriculum. So before we get started, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the videos, do share and like. So let's understand first of all what is an advertisement. An advertisement is a kind of public notice asking for or offering services or buying and selling property, goods, etc., or providing information about missing persons, pets, etc. Types of advertisement: classified and display or commercial. So today we are going to focus on classified advertisement. But what do we mean by display or commercial advertisement? I like to explain you with the examples. So first of all, look at these few examples. These are very commonly seen in newspapers columns and in the columns of magazines. These are all examples of classified advertisement. We can see for sale, groom wanted, opening, missing persons. We'll have a better understanding in the later part of this session. So just look at this particular slide. This contains two different examples of a display advertisement, commercial advertisement. And just the previous ones that you saw, those were the examples of classified advertisements. So these are display advertisements. So what are the features that make display advertisement different from classified one? We can see that various colors are used and illustrations have been used here, different font sizes. So the main motive is always commercial purpose, benefit to gain profit. These are several other examples of display advertisement. So today we are going to focus on classified advertisement. So first of all, let's know what is a classified advertisement. It is a small advertisement that you put in a newspaper or magazine, usually because you want to sell or buy something or services, or to find or offer a job, and for various other purposes. Main characteristics. What are the main characteristics of classified advertisement? These are printed under various categories. For example, situation vacant or situation wanted, for sale, bridegroom wanted, similarly educational, travel and tours, etc. So these are always brief, fewer words are used, hence occupy less space, that make it more economical. Short phrases instead of full sentences or complete sentences, short phrases and words are used. Language remains simple and concise. So as the short phrases and words are used, complete sentences are avoided. So this is the reason that articles and conjunctions are avoided and prepositions are rarely used. And at the end, each classified advertisement contains contact address or number or both of the advertiser. So while attempting a question on advertisement writing, these points must be kept in mind, that we must avoid cluttering of so many details. Irrelevant details must be avoided, and at the same time the details must be well organized. Details should be well arranged. Avoid use of complete sentences, and the language remains simple, and the presentation of details remains simple and to the point. Necessary details must be included. Expression of the language remains beautiful and tasteful with the proper choice of words and phrases. Use the prescribed format of advertisement writing. Presentation should be within a rectangular box with more width and less height. Format of advertisement writing is extremely simple. It is written inside a box, rectangular box, and the format includes caption and main body of the composition. We must stick to the word limit, that is 50 words, and overall presentation must be neat and clean. These are the various types of classified advertisement: situation vacant, situation wanted, for sale, to let, accommodation wanted, matrimonials, and missing. Now, we'll study each type of advertisement one by one. First of all, situation vacant. Who makes advertisement about situation vacant? The advertiser here is always an employer who is looking for suitable candidates for particular vacant post. So here we see required a young, dynamic, smart, charismatic and friendly female receptionist for Sunrise Global School, Agra, attractive salary with fringe benefits, healthy work environment, fresh graduates having honors or equivalent degree in English with good communication skills can apply by sending their cover letter and resume till March 30th on the below mentioned ID, and for queries contact address. Now, if we study deeply, we'll find that such kind of advertisement include details like what is required. First of all, the name of the vacancy, the number of the vacancy, preferences, whether female or male, or there is no preference must be mentioned, as here it is mentioned female receptionist. So similarly, there is detail about the salary and other benefits, and the working environment has been highlighted, and what are the qualifications that the employer is looking for in the candidates, means English with good communication skills, and several other details include the deadline for submission of resume and contact address. So this is an example of situation vacant. Another example, situation wanted. Now we should keep in mind that there is a slight error here in this slide. The caption should be centrally aligned. Central alignment must be given to the caption. Both the side equal space must be left. Situation wanted. Who writes the advertisement of situation wanted? The advertiser always remains a person who is looking for a job, a qualified person who possesses all the necessary qualification and may be changing job, switching his job, or is at the moment totally without any job. So that such a kind of candidate, a person makes this kind of advertisement. Now let's see the body. A first class BE electrical from IIT Delhi seeks a job in or around Delhi, at present working with a private firm in Alwar. Salary expected this and this. Please contact Anil Verma. Address given. Several other details may be included, like the location, what kind of location the person is preferring. What does he want about the location of his office? Any such kind of preference may be given. If the person is looking for accommodation to be provided by the employer, that also can be included. So this is example of situation wanted. Another example, for sale. Whenever the advertiser wants to sell any property, anything, or wants to sell any services. In such condition, such kind of advertisement is written. So here for sale, available black Maruti Swift Dzire ZXi, and year of model design and year, self-driven, cautiously used, dentless, scratchless, with a stereo and perfectly working air conditioner, no scratches, beautiful upholstery, good condition. Interested, make contact, and address of the person is given here. So these are means while studying each sample of a different category of advertisement, you must look at the various details included. For example, here the model and making year is mentioned here, and several other details about the condition, present condition, and the various features of the vehicle have been mentioned here. Self-driven, cautiously used, properly handled, and without any dent, without any scratch. So let's move ahead. For purchase. Now another is for purchase. Independent house. Let's see what is here for purchase. Now who designs an advertisement for this particular category? A person who is looking to buy a certain thing. A thing may be a second hand car or any scooter, or even the person is looking for flat. So let's see. Independent house at City Light Road to be used as office cum residence. Medium size, preferably the corner one. Now the person is looking for an independent house, and this is the locality mentioned by the person, that the person is looking for an independent house in this particular locality, and the purpose is also mentioned. Why is the person buying is interested to buy this house? For office use, office cum residence use. Now what kind of features does he want in the person wants in this particular independent house? Medium size, preferably the corner one. It should be fully furnished and ready to move in, and reasonably priced. So in this way various details are included, and the details must be complete. No single important details should remain missing. Let's move ahead. Accommodation required. Almost similar to the previous one. EVL company requires posh bungalows to be used as. Now here who is having the requirement is highlighted first. Similarly, what is being required also can be highlighted, that posh bungalows. EVL company requires posh bungalows. These words can be highlighted. Now do watch the way prepositions are in a minimum way used here, and almost the conjunctions and articles have been avoided. So bungalows are required to be used as guest houses by their executives and guests. Accommodation in a centrally located posh area with power backup facility and uninterrupted water supply is a must. So close proximity to the market location, that all the important places it should have central location. Owners please contact address given. Let's move ahead. Accountants wanted. Again it is similar to situation vacant. So whenever you get a question for such a situation where you are an employer or head of any company or any institution, and there are vacancies in your organization or institution, and you are looking for suitable well qualified candidates for filling those vacancies. So either the caption situation vacant can be supplied, or the name of the post followed by the word wanted. Accountants wanted. So all details are provided. Wanted competent and experienced accountant capable of handling accounts independently. Commerce graduates. Now here you see full stop are used in place of, as these are not complete sentences, in place of full stops hyphen can be used. Prefer the use of hyphen. Commerce graduates having at least 5 years experience. There is a mention, a detail of focus is given on the name of the post and for which purpose, and which particular candidates having which educational qualification can apply, what is the experience requirement. Okay, and experience in any ordinary firm will do or any reputed firm. So preference is mentioned by the employer here. Salary and perks, what is the detail given regarding salary and perks will be given as per efficiency and performance. So, and several other various details may be included. Very few samples have been chosen. You need to have a lot of practice. To let. So to let advertisement is always prepared or drafted when the purpose is to give a property like a house, independent house or flat on rent. So available on rent. Notice the way the very first word in almost all advertisement, the words like available, required, wanted, such words are highlighted just in the beginning. So available on rent basis, a newly built house in Vijay Vihar, 4 bedrooms with attached baths, all the features of the house included: a drawing cum dining room, a large kitchen and a balcony, garage with car parking facility also provided. Rent expected this and this, family preferred. So here preference also has been mentioned, that what is the preference, family or bachelor or students, and then followed by contact address, mobile number, email ID. Educational advertisement, generally drafted by the advertiser, always remain the purpose of the advertiser remains to attract students. So MRIU, the abbreviated name of an educational institute, Faridabad, is offering admission in various undergraduate courses like this and this. Eligibility is this, class 12th passed. There is mention of course fee and the mode of, the way, manner of payment of fee, annual or quarterly or half yearly, and what are the details given about the institution. Excellent faculty, research labs to attract candidates, students. Hostel available. Now the last day of deadline is mentioned here, followed by contact. Missing persons, another category now here of classified advertisement. Missing person, it can be about missing pets also. So let's see what kind of details are included in such kind of advertisement. Missing since 24, whoever is missing, the time since the person is missing, name, age, young boy 15 years old, and then personal details like height and mention of detail regarding the complexion of his skin, color of the eyes, haircut style, no, and then what kind of dress the person is wearing, in this way. And then finally, if any information about his whereabouts, kindly contact address is given. So it's very important for all of you to practice all the various categories of advertisement, and you must attempt as many questions as possible. Thank you so much.